Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Channel here on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and around the world. Welcome, everybody. Another very volatile day today, of course, with the markets down today because of what's going on with China and protests and everything else. It's bringing down high-tech risk stocks. Remember, we've always said the high-tech risk stocks, Virgin Galactic, possibly Tesla to some degree, they get sold off quicker than everything else, but they also rebound quicker than everything else. So we've had a lot of stuff down today, very much down, 41.5. I don't think it's going to go much further. I managed to get some more deals, so we've not reached bottom. Once again, we've not reached bottom. I've been able to buy SoFi, and guess what else? Guess what else I bought today? Let's get straight into the trades and share with you where we are right now. There you go. You can see where I am right now, down 4%, nearly $2,000 today. Awful day. But you've got to remember, take some context in it, have a little look, and go over the month, and you can see it's bad, but over the month it's down 4.95. Over 3 months, if you go from the last 2 months, we've moved up from the last 2 months. So even though it's down over the month now, it's actually up over the last 2 months. But so obviously that chart shows in between. So there you go. So it's not good. Over the week we're up 0.61, but end of the day I'm holding and taking advantage of further discounts. So what do we get today? Let's go through. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much, everybody. And there we go. Let's see who's joined me live. And they're waiting for Church of Logic. He's the guy I'm waiting for before I announce what I bought today, because he was looking for the same thing. I want to see what he says. Anyway, Church of Logic. When he comes in, we'll have a quick chat. So who's in right now? Let's have a little look. We had quite a quiet day. Red days, for some reason, people keep away. We get busier days for some reason when we are on green days. But really, we should be actually busier on the red days. That's when I go to work anyway. So let's have a look. Let's see who's here. Mike's over on Twitch. Thank you so much, Mike. I think this will be a bloody week. Had so much pump in the last 2 months. Powell will kill it, in my opinion. There you go. That's what 22 says. Let's see where it ends up. I'm trying to sell some stuff, but nothing really to sell today. Dig BT7. What's up, said Diggs. That must be over on Twitch today. How are you? Little recommendation for you, Diggs. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, our home of our show is here on YouTube. That's where we are right now. I'll give you the link to our show, and you can join us if you want to. Let me pop into Twitch. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime, it's completely free, of course. If you do use Amazon Prime, it's free, and every first Friday of the month, I give away the money I make in subscriptions back to you. I will tell you, we've only got 8 subscribers right now. Many of you have let it lapse. So only 8. So just go and subscribe using Amazon Prime Gaming, and you can be in our free prize draw. We do it every first Friday of the month. All right. Hey, Martin, are you invested in Nano Dimension? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm fully invested right now. I'm not looking for anything else. Here he is. I was waiting for him to come in. Church of Logic. Good afternoon, says Malk. Bought Apple call when it was down 3%. Apple, always buy, always hold. I love Apple. No issue whatsoever with owning Apple. It's not low enough for me, though. It's not low enough for me. I already have a good size of my portfolio in it. I've got a buy at 130. I don't expect it to go there, but it's not cheap enough for me to buy any more. Good afternoon, guys. Here he is. This is the man I wanted to talk to. Church of Logic. Right. How did you pan out on Virgin Orbit? I got my position and added to it as well. I was set for 40. I actually bought 140, I think it was. Let me have a little look. We're 262 now. So I waited. It was at 269. It hadn't gone through. And I was looking at it. So I thought, I've got to buy it 268. So I'm going to just buy it 269, not knowing if it would go any lower. And of course it did. So if I'd waited, I could have got it for 268. But anyway, I've got another buy now at $2. You can see I've got just a small amount at $2, 100 shares at $2, but Oh, hang on. India's first private rocket company looks to slash satellite costs. They won't compete with Virgin, though. Anyway, here we go. 403 at 269. So it was right on the button, look, of 268, which is my buy order. So I cancelled it and just manually bought. I say manually, I still put a limit order in of 269 to make sure, because on low volume stocks like this, you can end up buying it and end up paying 3 or 4 cents a share more. So always set a limit order. Anyway, so it's nearing its 52-week low, and we haven't had the flight yet. If we'd had the flight, I wouldn't be buying this, but we haven't had the flight yet. So I've got a nice position now, $1,000 worth. So there you go. Hi all, Running Diary is here, 40 years young. Hi all, welcome. Lovely to have you here. Rob Brent, it's a red day. Is the world coming to an end? I don't think so, but a lot of people are protesting. Who is sick and tired of everyone protesting? Everyone is protesting. Everyone is protesting. Just get on and play football. Everyone's protesting. We got America now taking the adjusting the Iranian flag, upsetting them. We've got the Iranians now want to upset the Americans. So everyone's trying to protest against issues in people's countries. We're here to play football. That's all. That's it. Just get on with it. Portland Trailblazers, hi, how are you? I mean, there are millions of things you can protest against. You can think a million things. You can go pollution. You can go plastic. You can go animal welfare. You can go, I love the cats. I love the dogs. You know, there's a million things. Stop protesting and just get on with life. Bloody hell. What's going on? I'm glad you got some Orbit logic. Church of Logic, very good. Elon says Apple have virtually stopped advertising on Twitter. Have they? They don't need to advertise it, do they, really? Surprise Market is not here. Yeah, he'll be here in a minute. This is a tough sell today. I didn't see it coming. Z is tired of it. Yeah, I'm sure you mean G. Yeah, I'm sure he is. How do people have the time to protest? I'm too busy. Exactly. Yeah, it's always people with nothing to do, isn't it? Never people at work. They're too busy. Anyway, ETORO. Hello, Bill. How are you? Look at that. He's used every single one of my icons. I love it. Nice one, Bill. But one scenario might be that restrictions will get loosened and it will eventually lead to more economic freedom. Just a scenario. Yeah, I think you're probably right. People do have the right to protest, but it's just getting ridiculous. Everyone's protesting over something. It's just you got England were taking the knee, Germany putting their hands over their heads, over their eyes. You've got, because they didn't like what Qatar are doing. You've got LGBT thing. You've got flipping. The USA are upset with what Iran are doing in their country, so they're taking their flag off their website. I mean, it's just getting silly. Stop. I mean, just focus on the job in hand. Bill gone emoji mad. I think he has. I think Bill has gone emoji mad. Anyway, let's have a look. So the overall portfolio is down today. Huge amount today. Absolutely huge. Let's go through the stocks. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know you're here. We're only here till 3 o'clock. It's closing bell time. And of course, smash the like button. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us. We are human. Dude doesn't read comments. I do read the comments, but I'm here on YouTube and I ask you 1,000 times a day to help make my life a bit easier. And come and join me on YouTube and I give cash prizes in return. I do cash prizes every Friday. So I do read comments. It's just very difficult. I answer everyone's comment that is a member of my YouTube channel, and I answer everyone's comment that is a subscriber on TikTok. Every single one. And I do it myself. I spend 10 hours a day in this studio streaming and answering every question. If you're not a subscriber or a member, you may get missed. That's the purpose of it. All right. Okay. So what was your question, by the way, then? Do you run a Bitcoin node? No, I don't. I just buy it on Robinhood and stick it on my ledger and leave it there. This is my ledger. I don't run a Bitcoin node. No. I used to. For about a week, I tried it. It was completely waste of time. Anyway, Church says it depends on what. And by the way, all these comments I'm reading out. I read out every comment. All right. It depends on what the protest is for. Chinese people have the right to protest. These are their lives are being destroyed. Yeah, but Church, you're having a hard time because of your rental property. Are you going to protest as well? I mean, look, we've all got things to protest about, but we're trying to just play a football tournament. Do you know what I'm saying? Everyone needs to get over COVID. Exactly. Just get on with it. Stop bloody moaning and just get on with it. It's a simple strategy in life. Anyway. We're down now 4.42. Let's see what's going down, what's hot and what's not. Ford going sideways. Hello, family. Carlos Sanchez is here. There we go. Let's put his name on the screen. How are you? Calm down a little. Calm down. Macrago, calm down a little. Mike Flynn. There we go. Mike Flynn, one of our friends and moderators, has joined in. I agree. Keep politics out of sport. Yeah, absolutely. You know what I mean? Just get on with it. We've got a million things to moan about, right? Everyone's got something to moan about. Hi, Martin in the room. Do they want Xi Jinping out? Xi Jinping out. I think that's what you're saying, Mark. Max H, I'm sure they do. Hi, Martin in the room. Is Real Ray. Real Ray is one of our members here. Also, he's one of our subscribers. Are you still a subscriber over on TikTok? I'm not sure. Are you? Anyway, Virgin Galactic 478 down. I've got a buy at 4. Keep low in the average 264. I got some more at Virgin Orbit. Winnie the Pooh, do you mean, Matt? Yes, he does. Xi Jinping, he does. Tesla is up today 0.29. Great news today, of course. We've got the new semis out. Here we go. The Church of Logic, a member for 4 months. Woo, 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 woo. Is that all it's been? It seems longer than that. 4 months. Blimey. I thought it was longer than that. Anyway, if you want to become a member today, you will notice that nearly everyone, in fact 95% of our live viewers are members. The highest engagement rate on YouTube. That's official. Most channels, some of the biggest, have 8 to 9% of their viewers, their live viewers, are members. We have 95%. And if you want to be a member, there's a reason why nearly everyone's a member, because the perk benefits are there to help you, not for my benefit. They are there to support the show, the live shows, but they're there to benefit you most. All right. Okay. Let's carry on. Hang on a minute. Let's have a look. Sounds like the US will slow the rate of interest rate hikes, but still raise nonetheless. That's silly that they want him out. He's the best president they ever had for their economy, says Max H. Let's have a little look. Max H. My son's friend is going to get into driving the Tesla semi. My son's friend is going to get into driving the Tesla semi. He drives for a living. Wonderful stuff. Do you rate Virgin Galactic over Orbit? They're very, very... Oh my gosh! Look at that! Real Ray has become a gold member. That's our top. No, it's not our top level. There's sponsorship, but very few people gold. I think we got 9 gold members. That's incredible. Huge thank you to Real Ray for just becoming our gold member. That is absolutely awesome. Thank you so much indeed. That's a huge honor. Let's celebrate that for a minute. Let's celebrate that. Thank you ever so much with some fireworks. Here we go. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Congratulations and thank you so much for being part of our channel. We really do appreciate it. There you go. Cheers, mate. Real Ray, that's a huge honor. Thank you so much indeed. Now then, in addition to everything else you get as a bronze member, silver member, a gold member, you also get, if you require it, 2 2 hours a month Zoom calls, one-on-one, if you want help with your YouTube channel or setting up your studio. It's for that alone. You can't just call me up and go, I want 2 hours just chatting about stuff. All right, about the weather. But if you want help with your YouTube channel, the equipment I use, how to set up, how to promote your channel, behind the scenes of the day trader, any of that kind of stuff, for gold members, you get two Zoom hours one-on-one a month, and I'm there to help your channel or whatever it is you want to do with that. So there you go. Thank you ever so much. That's a huge honor. Wow, fantastic, great stuff. Thank you very, very much indeed. And there are other perks as well that you get as a gold member as well. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser or a concert. You get that with silver, but with gold we go a little bit extra as well. And make sure that you've contacted me on all my social media, and I follow you back on everything and help you as well. But that is awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. What a great thing that is. Right, let's have a look. Yay, Ray, says Mike. Hey, family, here's Caden Youngquist. Caden Youngquist now, you may remember, started promoting on our channel, and he's now done it. He's over a 1,000 subscribers. He's monetized. And all this time, we've been having Caden Youngquist on our channel right at the top here. Let's have a look. Here he is, Caden Youngquist. He's on the... Where is he? He should be on here somewhere. Yes, there he is. One of our members. Look, he's on the YouTube on the homepage of the channel, and I know for a fact that people have been clicking through this because I can see onto his channel. So he's now monetized channel. So huge congratulations to you, Caden, for that. And thank you very much for being a member of our channel and allowing me the opportunity to support you. He's been a silver member now for a few months. In fact, he's been a silver member now for what? 4 months. Fantastic. Thank you, Caden. And there you go. Now, gold members like Real Ray, if Real Ray has a channel, he will go to the very top of here. And don't forget, if you are a business, and you can do it for 1 month if you wanted to, you can be a sponsor and you'll actually get commercials played throughout the show. I do it a couple of times per show, and I'll actually do a commercial for your business or your YouTube channel, and you get featured and many, many other perks as well. But anyway, there you go. That's our $99 sponsor per month. Okay. Nice one, Ray. Hi, Martin. Hi, everyone. Paddy's here. We got Stephen Lewandowski is here. Is it a good time to buy gold? Putin has oil and gold. I can't comment on gold. For me, it's Bitcoin. That's digital gold. That's my investment to gold, if you like. Right, we're still falling. We're still falling at the moment. I did pick up some discounts today, but we are in uncomfortable territory now. Uncomfortable territory. We don't want to be down around the 40,000 again. I thought we'd left that behind, but we are there. We have to take it. The S&P is down 1.76. You know, that's $300 gone there. We've got Ford is down today. As well. In fact, it's a tale across everything. It's an honor to support your planned TV show. Well, do you know, more people now, Ray, you mentioned TV show. This is a TV show. More people now watch online than do with terrestrial cable TV. Did you know that? So this is a TV show. And because I broadcast in in 4K high definition and compressed sound and so on and so forth, you can watch this on your big 50-inch TV with surround sound speakers and it sounds great. You ask Mike, he often listens to me that way with the music. So this is a TV show. People, you can have YouTube TV on your TV, you know, the app on TV, and I am there. So there you go. This is TV until someone actually rings me up and says, do you want to come on the telly properly? And I'll go, all right then. Anyway, so let's have a little look. It's an honor. It's an honor to support your channel. That's such a lovely thing, Real Ray. It's because of you we're here. It's because of our members why I'm able to be here live. Anyway, you bought today. Yes, 22. I bought today, so we still haven't reached bottom. That's what you're going to say, right? And you're absolutely right. I bought 2 things today. I bought SoFi. SoFi, I had a buy at 450, and I bought at 450. I like the company. They're just getting beat up now because of what's going on with their investigation into crypto. I think it's temporary. This will come back up again. So SoFi, I bought today at 450. So I've got quite a big position. I also got, I was telling everybody I would buy Virgin Orbit at 268. I doubled up near enough my position at 268. I've got another buy setting for $2. So yes, my account hasn't reached bottom, but we're strengthening from the bottom. We're getting the averages down all the time. Hey Paddy, how are you? How you doing? 22 says Ale. What's your next big buy for Space? Space is $4. Space is set for $4. Now, we have got a video coming out later on today about Space. You keep asking me about Virgin Galactic. Spaceline, our French-Canadian friend, was sending me information, and I had to verify it first. If you were on this morning, you would have seen a little bit about it, but he was saying that a member of staff at Virgin Galactic was saying they're preparing for 1,000 flights a year. That actually wasn't the case. It was the spaceship can do 1,000 flights before it needs to be replaced. And I have that interview, and it will be a video coming out later. So check that out for the benefit of Virgin Galactic stock. Hi Ale, HSBC, it will raise interest rates on saving accounts. That is why I like SoFi. SoFi are making more and more money. They're a digital bank. That is why I like Robinhood. They are a digital bank. Yes, they're a brokerage, but they make money from interest payments. I know. All right. That's how I watch it. And there you go. Look. Bill says that's how I watch it, a 55-inch TV and chat with iPhone. There you go. See, Bill will tell you that it's a TV experience. It's not designed for your phone. It's designed for a big TV. All good, thanks. I'm sorry for the socks. For the socks? What about the socks? Right, last time of telling you, you all wanted a very special Black Friday deal. Now, I only make a very small amount of money on my shop because the biggest part is making the t-shirts, sending them out, customizing them, so on. I make a minimum profit. Even though my stuff isn't cheap, it's because it's customized, one-offs, and so on, all right? The shop takes, obviously, the lion's share. But to support everybody and give you a special Christmas benefit, I've done a Black Friday deal which ends midnight tonight. Every single thing in my shop using this code on the screen, Black Fry, will get you 20% off. And that is basically all my profit gone. There's no profit at all. All right, I'm selling you it as absolutely, virtually like 50 cents cost price. Okay, so these are all the items, including the new item with the crystal ball. Look, see it? There it is. You can see it. Look, on the front. There's the crystal ball. There's the new items, plus anything you want from the shop. It ends midnight tonight. Make great Christmas presents. And yes, you can even get, someone just mentioned socks. You can get socks in any color you like. Look at that. All right. And that's 20% off these prices. And it expires tonight. I will never do a better sale. I can't do a better sale until they give me a better price. All right. When I sell more, I'll get a better price. But until then, that's the very best deal I'll ever offer you because I'm making nothing. All right. Okay, so there you go. If you want the shop, I'll give it to you now. It ends midnight tonight. There you go. Okay. Bill, I've told you about the crystal ball. I have to work a way to get it on camera. I can't pick it up. You don't understand. My hands are on the keyboards and I can't use one hand. It takes two hands to pick it up. It's very, very heavy. I can't just pick it up and carry it over my devices. It's impossible. How I'm set here, I can't, all right? The crystal ball is right next to me, and we mentioned it earlier today. Look, it's right here. See it? Look, there's a crystal ball. But we don't want to focus on it too much. A couple of people are upset today that we spent too much time talking about that. There it is, look. There it is. There's my hand, look. See it? Okay. Okay. I'll work a way of getting it onto the camera. I thought Gold Members was an Austin Powers movie. It certainly is, mate. It is. Martin, you gutted me out on Wednesday, and you see how quick those gains are gone. Yeah, you gutted me out on Wednesday, and you see how quick those gains are gone. Yeah, but remember I've always said it's about building the foundations, not the tinsel, right? The fact that the profits have gone, yes, they have, but they'll come back. And now I've got lower averages. Now I've got even lower prices. I've got more at lower prices, so I'm in a better position. You know why SoFi is down? Invested in those worthless crypto exchanges. Yes, I know, but the reason why they're down, they're not losing money over that. They're okay. I've looked into their accounts. They're okay. The reason why they're down is not because of the money they may or may not have lost on on crypto. It's because they're being investigated and it's a high-risk stock, so everyone's dumping it. That's the reason. That's the reason why it's down. So I like digital banks. I like what they're doing. So that's why I have some. Anyway, there you go. Evening Ale, what's going on, Bill? Let's have a little look. BlockFi has filed for bankruptcy. Yes, it has. Gemini not looking too clever. I told you last week and the week before that all the exchanges are going down the toilet. I keep telling everybody. SoFi will have to write off some investments. They might have to, but they're very diverse. They make money on other things as well. They are essentially a digital bank. They're not just crypto. I wouldn't buy them if they was. If this was BlockFi or Coinbase, I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. This is a digital bank, okay? It's a bank of the future. Ultimately, the BTC price takes the hit from all the affected centralized exchanges, losing customers' funds. I'm buying Bitcoin $100 every time it drops $1,000, and showing it every time it drops. Bill, I just answered your question about the crystal ball. I've answered it probably about 5 or 6 times. Hey, Paddy, how are you? SoFi invested in BlockFi, filed for bankruptcy today. SoFi invested in BlockFi, filed for bankruptcy today. Yes, I'm sure they're going to lose some money, but I still believe in the company. All right, so I've not gone all in like a bat out of hell, but I do think it's worth investing in. Hey, Bill, Shin, are you the guy with the drones? Yes, he is. Real Ray, Bill is the man with the drones. He's called Shin Dynasty, but yes, that's him. Does anyone have an idea why coal went up today? No idea, ETORO. Take a picture. I will take a picture and send it to you, Bill. Bill really wants to see your... He never lets go, does he? He's like a dog with a bone. No, I really appreciate Bill sending me a Christmas present, the crystal ball. I just can't get it on camera at the moment. I've got to work out how to do it. It's not as straightforward as you might think. Right, okay, let's go down. We're still down, nearly 4.8. We're 4.8 now. Right, let's go back to the main screen. We've got 28 watching. Right, it's I need to take a very, very quick commercial break. And by the time I get back, I want 30 likes. Unbelievable. 30 likes. Ready? Look, the fact that S&P 500 is going down the same as SoFi and everything else tells you it's just a bad day, right? This is not a day to freak out. It's a day to find bargains. That's it. Simple as that. Day to find bargains. Simple as that. I love the red days. Red days, you go to work. Right. Here we go. Let's bring you out for a commercial break. We need 30 likes in 1 minute. Are you ready? I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back again now. Good idea. It's been a bad day for BTC for a long time now. Right, I want to actually show you a little bit about BTC today. All right, because BTC today is up 0.5%. Now, I'm working with a lot of the BSV people. All right, and I'm learning more and more about BSV. This is very unusual today. I've been talking to Craig Wright, who's supposed to be Satoshi Nakamoto. He's messaged me privately. We've talked on Twitter. He was on one of my videos yesterday. You may have seen it via a Twitter conversation. That's what I was sharing. And BSV today, there's a lot going on with this. BSV today is up 5.96. That is a lot. If you compare that with, let's have a look, Ethereum right now. Ethereum, Bitcoin, they're both just staggering around 0.5%. BSV earlier was up like 10%, 9.52. Might have gone a bit higher than that. I'm not debating whether he's the real Satoshi running diary. I'm just bringing you the facts presented to me. All right. He's never been able to prove he's the Satoshi. I get what you're saying. I'm not saying he is. I'm not saying he isn't. He says he is. Many people believe he is, and I'm just presenting the evidence. I don't make a decision on something like that. I'm not going to call him out on it one way or the other. If he says he is, he is. No one can disprove it, and no one can say he is either, including himself. So all I can say is it is what it is. Okay. No bargains today, I don't think. See how the week plays out before thinking today is a cheap day. No, the only thing that went to an all-time low was SoFi. The only thing was SoFi and VORB. VORB touched my 268 target and it's bouncing back up now. Did exactly what I said it would do. So I doubled up my position. I've got a nice little position there now. When is Virgin Orbit flight? It's scheduled for any day now. We haven't got the information. And as soon as we do, I will get it to you. And you'll know when it does, because it'll have publicity, it'll have volume, and it'll go up. And we know that. Let's have a little look. I am currently not invested as I lost a lot, just waiting to see what to invest in. It's just waiting. You can wait too long, I think. When is Virgin Orbit? We answered that one. Apple has threatened to withhold Twitter app from iPhones, but won't say why, says Elon. Oh dear, oh dear. Thought you were out of VOR because of how it trades. Yes, I said how it trades. Absolutely right. And I had a small position, and I said to you, I've got a buy order for 268, and I bought it at 268. 268, it's worth it. Not anymore, not 350, nothing like that. I don't like how it trades, but I've managed to get it. I made profit last time, and I'll do it again this time. And as it got to 269, I didn't know if it was going to hit 268, so I manually did it at 269 and cancelled my 268. So I'm not really bothered about 1 cent. When I say a lot to me. Hey, listen, Real Ray. It's a lot to everyone's got their own. $1 to me is a lot, you know. So we've got people here with millions of shares. We've got people here with 1 share, and it's all good. It's not about how much money you've got. It's what your percentages are, right? That's what it's about. Now then, Arrival. What do you think? Is Arrival about to go bust? Are we watching my money go down the toilet? I'm down $93. Down to 48% now. I don't know if it's ever going to bounce back. I'm just leaving it. I've never experienced a company yet go bankrupt on me. This could be the first one. Anyway, it is what it is. Apple today down 3%. Arrival's departure. Yeah, what do you reckon? Let me open up the Discord lounge. Now, Real Ray, as a gold member, you're also allowed your own channel on Discord as well. You can actually have 2 as a gold member. Silver members get 1. Gold members get 2. If you ever want your own channel to promote anything or whatever, you can. All right. The broadcast lounge is now open. If you're not on Discord yet and you'd like to be, or you can't see any of the exclusive channels, it's because I've not upgraded you. Here is the Discord. Now, I asked you in the newsletter. Hang on a minute. Let me ask this question. I put a newsletter out this week, and I actually had an ask. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers on Twitter, and I asked you if you could follow me on Twitter. So I'm just going to ask you straight out: did you follow me? Me on Twitter. Okay. And if you are one of my members here, I will follow you back as well. Yes, no. Let me just have a look. Let's see how many have done it. I want to know. I've now got 481. So we're halfway there now. Halfway there. I'm really getting quite active on Twitter. I can see, I always thought it was a bit of a silly app. I've said it over and over again, but actually, I've now actually worked out how to grow quite quickly. I've gained about 60 followers in 2 days. I've now worked out how to engage and grow quickly on Twitter, the proper way, you know, not like buying fake followers or stuff like that. It's actually hard work again, but I've worked out how to do it. So do you follow me on Twitter? That's what I should say. Do you follow me on Twitter? Yes or no? I want to see how many of you here do. Okay. And if you don't, why not? All right. Here is my Twitter. If you actually do it now, then you can answer yes if you haven't done it. But anyway, here is my Twitter. There you go. And I'm now being quite active on it. I'm sharing some thoughts off air, and there you go. There you go. Okay. Can you put the Twitter link in the chat? Max, there you go. I have. It's Martyn Investor. Unfortunately, I can't have Martyn Lucas Investor like everywhere else, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube. Unfortunately, it was too long, so it had to be Martyn Investor. But there it is. And I have two. If you want to follow the investment channel, it's that one. If you want to follow the music and my personal life, it's the other one. So that's this one here. That's just Martyn Lucas. There you go. All right. Right. 50% of you said no. So only less than half of you have so far. 9 votes. So 6 of no and 3 of yes. Okay. So there's plenty more of you could do it then. I want to get to 1,000. Anyway. Come to pay my dues. LOL. I will like and watch a commercial. We're up to 19 likes now on YouTube today. I started with $500 in August 2021. It went to 5,500 3 times. Me selling from 5,000 and starting over. I am 4,000 on the 4th run. Congratulations, Bill. Very good. Like 18, says Nitz Farreld. I bought drones and paid credit cards down to 1 left. Brilliant. Absolutely great. Great to see you, Nitz. Ale, how are you? I see you on Twitter. You do, Bill. And I followed you back, right? Which drone have you got, says Bill, says Real Ray. I'm gold 2. Portland Trailblazers. I'm gold 2. Portland Trailblazers is a gold member as well. Thank you so much indeed. We have a couple of gold members in the house today. Royalty. Thank you ever so much, Portland Trailblazer, for your huge support to our channel. Thank you so much. Please take advantage of all the gold benefits, including your 2 hours of Zoom calls a month. You can schedule with me whenever you like. All right. Do you intend to spend BTC to convert to fiat, assuming it reaches your target price? No, I'm holding BTC long term. I've locked it away on my ledger, and I intend to leave it there, at least until I retire. And if it's worth $1 million, then I'll probably sell it, but nothing in between. Put the Amazon link in the chat, please, so I can buy as I go through you. Okay, here's my Amazon shop you just asked for. For those of you who don't know, and this is members only, if you use my Amazon shop, it costs you absolutely nothing to use it. It just gives a referral to Amazon. Whether you buy something from my shop or whether you just use it as a link to Amazon, if you are a member and you buy something, tell me what you bought, and whatever commission I get, I will give you 50% of it straight back. There you go. There's my shop 3 times. This is what it looks like. This is the Martyn Lucas shop. There's the ledger that I have. See that there? But there you go. So if you want to get anything through my shop, or then just use it to go onto Amazon. From here, look, you're on Amazon. You are on Amazon. So I will earn commission on things that you buy, and then I will tell you what I've got, and I'll share it on the screen. I'll go, look, I earned $20 from this one. Didn't cost you anything extra. They just give me a referral for getting you onto Amazon. I will split it with you, but that is for a members only perk, though. I don't do it for anybody, just the members. Okay. Can I still use it in the UK? On some products you can. Some products you can't. Some products you can. But yeah, if it comes through, I'll share with you what I get. And you know, there's no secret to it. I'll bring it up now. Look, I'll bring up my associates page now, and I'll show you. There's no hiding. I don't hide what I get. I'll share with you, look. Where is it? Reports, earnings report. This is my earnings report. Look, this is the earnings report. Look, see, and see, nothing's been bought today. See, if there was, it would say, look, you know, someone bought an Xbox and I got $10, and then I go, who bought an Xbox? And you'd say me, and I'd go, all right, then there's $5, and I just send you the money. All right. Yeah, the crystal ball can be bought. Everyone can get a crystal ball like me through my shop. Yeah. And people were asking, like sending things to the show, like Bill, you can send in Christmas cards. I can share a Christmas card or small thing. It's just that the crystal ball is very heavy. There's my Christmas list. If you want to send in a Christmas card, there's how you can send it in to me. All right, if you want to do that, and I'll share it on the screen. Right, let's carry on. We are down right now, but we're trying to get a last-minute bounce back. Let's see if we can get a recovery today. Ford going sideways. Virgin Galactic is 476 going down. I'm down. See, look, I'm only down. I say only down. I'm down 3.53. But remember, this stock used to be $30 a share. So, you know, I'm in a much stronger position now, having 493 as an average. It's not going bust. The company is not going anywhere. Virgin Orbit. There we go. It's gone back up again. Great. I've now got a chance to sell for a profit once it hits 277. Any news of a flight, I could sell it. It's not one I'm going to hold. I've told you before. It's not one I'm going to hold anymore. I don't like the way it trades, as 22 pointed out today. He says, I thought we didn't like the way it trades. I still don't. Nothing has changed there. But anyway, that's good. When do you plan to sell space? Oh, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic, I see it as $100 a stock in a year or two's time when they're flying all the time. What I will do, however, I'll never get to $100. I will sell it along the way and just trim off the top. And then basically, I'll get my capital out and I'll be I will be making money from the profits. So I've got nothing to lose. No, you're absolutely right. 277 would be a waste of time. Of course, I'm not going to sell it for 277. I'm just making the point that I'm close. In 10 years, you'll be sorry, Martyn, this stock and company is better than space. No, I like it. I get it. But this company seems to be sold off every time its good news has gone away. So once it flies, it will pop up and go back down again. So hence, I sell it for profit and then buy it back again. Maybe I'll feel differently this time. If I can find that they've got lots of flights all lined up, which they kind of have, then maybe I'll just hold it, because we're never going to see these prices again in the future. And he's right. The Church of Logic is right. In 10 years from now, where's Virgin Orbit going to be? You know, is it going to be at 277 or is it going to be 277? And you'll be thrilled to bits that you got these shares. This is like buying, Tesla when it first came out. This is like buying, Amazon when it first came out, or Bitcoin when it first came out. It's, I get what you're saying. When would you first sell be? Max H. It depends on what the rest of my portfolio are doing. If I see greater opportunities somewhere else, let's see, for example, Virgin Galactic today popped up to $10. First question I would be asking myself is, what the bloody hell has put Virgin Galactic up to $10? What news? Is it sustainable? Or is this just a Reddit pop, a Twitter pop, or whatever? What is the reason? If it's sustainable, I would just trim some. If for some reason I thought it was some trend or nothing behind it, and Tesla, for example, or Coca-Cola, or J&J, or McDonald's, or something like that had dropped, or Rio Tinto had dropped on a bad earnings, I might sell it and then buy something stable. I've made my money. I've got free money. So it depends on what the rest of my portfolio looks like at the time. That's the purpose of trading and investing all the time. Why don't you apply this logic to your portfolio? Sell when you're in a profit and buy back cheaper. I intend to do that. I know what you're saying. You're saying, well, why didn't I sell last week then? Well, I didn't. I've held. I've not lost any money. I've just stayed where I am. Church is saying, here we go, he's saying, it's only down because the news is bad today in the global setting. I agree. And also an Indian company is producing a cheaper way for satellites, but they are unproven, unlike Virgin Orbit. I want to just make the point, Virgin Orbit is extremely reliable. It's had a 100% success rate, phenomenal, and that is important. Space will go to 10 next year if they get a big pile of buyers, and Branson adds back to it, but he will not buy back anytime soon because of the courts. Good point. I don't know how accurate that might be, but I get what you're saying. Anyway, we're down 4.69. We're trying to come back up, but there's no sign of anything right now. We've got day trader of the day coming up in a minute. You've got until midnight tonight. If you look below the video, you'll see today's specials. They're all 20% off using Black Fry, FRI, and you can get yourself any of those items. It runs out tonight. It's the best deal I will ever be able to do. All right? Couldn't do it any less. I'd be paying you to take it off my hands. All right. It's my Christmas gift to you. I can't do it any cheaper. There is no profit in it. Right. Okay. Where was I? Let me go back to this screen here a minute. My computer's going a bit slow today. There we go. Fades in. There we go. Everybody on TikTok all right? How's everybody doing? Cheers to all of you. Let's have a quick sip of my coffee in a minute. Space only went to 45 because it was extremely overbought and manipulated by hedges and Branson himself. He is great at marketing, and that's why the stock on charts look a good buy. I get what you're saying there. He is good at marketing. You're absolutely right. Lockheed Martin has been doing well. I sold my position on Lockheed. I didn't make any money out of it. That's doing well, of course, because all the military action in Russia. Orbit has way more proof right now as a company than SPCE. That's why I've got some. They are separate. They are different. You can't compare them. All they do is share the same some of the same technologies, and they share the same resources, and also the Boeing, the Virgin Boeings that will fly you to New Mexico to fly on Virgin Galactic, and others once it's built around the world. The whole thing is interlinked, but they are completely separate companies, though, right? Virgin Galactic's 474. Got to buy at 4. Virgin Orbit. I'm now up on my position today. There you go. We're rising into the close. Tesla is up today. I'm just 19% down now. I say just. It's a horrible number, but my position's a lot stronger. Arrival. Are they going to go bust? What do you reckon about Arrival? Amazon have been okay today. Apple have had an awful day. Great company. Not buying any more just yet, though. I don't like sometimes that I only have nearly $4,000 of those, but I have a couple of grand of other things. It's not really balanced, and my portfolio needs a bit of adjustment right now. Same with McDonald's. How come I only have $1,900 there? Coke going sideways. J&J down very slightly. Google today is down 1.59. Microsoft, Meta today down 6% now. Getting nearer and near that 100. 444 SoFi. Good day all. Here on a red day, just like clockwork. Orbit has way more proof right now as a company than Space. You're dead right there. I think that's fair enough. Good day all. Here on a red day. Yeah. Churchy was saying that. Saying, where's market profit? And just like that, here he is. He did say it about half an hour ago. It wasn't quite 5 minutes ago. Anyway, let's... Oh, by the way, nobody asked. I got on very well, thank you very much, at the dentist. I had my 6th monthly clean. Oh, God, isn't that uncomfortable when they floss it? I floss my teeth every day, but not like they do it. They get like a chainsaw. I went, bloody hell, I floss every day. Yeah, but this is the professional flossing now. Under your gums, it's like, bloody hell. Not very nice, is it? Anyway, I was fine. Teeth are all good. Not all white and shiny and perfect and straight like a big American smile. They're good enough. Good enough for me, but they're healthy. They're healthy English teeth. They're not that nice, perfect. I said to Leah, if you want white teeth, you don't have to bleach them. That's not good for you. Just get a tan. Have you ever seen a black man that doesn't have white teeth? They all do. A black man's got great white teeth. All you got to do is get a bit of a colour and you look great. Anyway. So, quick commercial break. We've got day trader of the day. Be right back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay, we're back with you once again. Let's run a quick commercial break. Day trader of the day coming up. Hate the dentist, says Church. I was removing snow with a tractor when got hit with a blizzard last night. 90-kilometer winds and 8-foot snow drifts. Bloody hell. Whole town and highways are closed. Minus 41 right now. Hell, that's cold. Ooch. Church of Logic, yes. Mark Paddy says yes. Woo. Hell. That's hot. Anyway. Let me just check that a minute. There we go. Right. Are we going to have another go at returning? 4.6 today. 4.65. I think it's funny. What's funny? Hello. We've got a guest. Lewis Martin. Oh, hello. We've seen you before. I just didn't recognise the name. How are you, Lewis? Space over 7% down. Has there been bad news or something with the stock, or is it blatant manipulation? No. Everything is down today. So as we've seen, we've been watching this stock now over and over and over and over again. High risk stocks are the first to get dumped when the markets are down like this. Everyone dumps them. And they are the first ones to recover as well. So you just hold on and it'll all come back. There's no news today, but there is some news which is going to come out later. I'm just in the middle of recording news about the rockets and how many flights they can do. Like 1,000 flights. I'm going to bring that video for you later on this afternoon. So look out for that, Lewis. When it comes out, if you've rung the bell in about an hour or so after this video ends, it'll come out. And if you've rung the bell, you'll be notified. You can join in the premiere and you can share it and comment on it and all good. EVs like Teslas don't run in this weather. Need to warm the oil pan with a tiger torch because you start the farm equipment. Before you start the equipment. Northern Saskatchewan. Hey, Ali Isles! Ali Isles, how are you? We've not seen Ali Isles for a while. Here he is. He's Love Island fan. Here he is. Where do you live, Market? West New York. Market Profit is in Saskatchewan in Canada. Bought more space today. Trying to get my average to below 5. Very, very nice indeed. Right. We are trying to bounce back. We're just on that $2,000. There we go. We're now down 1,900. We're getting a bounce into the close. Can we get it back up again? Not a chance today. It's because of Xi Jinping. It's because of the riots. It's because everybody in China, fear around the world. Everyone's selling out again. But there you go. But that presents opportunity. Virgin Galactic, I've got a buy order at 4. What is my all-time low? 414. 437, 423, 414. All right. So $4 is my maximum I'm prepared to pay for Virgin Galactic now. Even lower perhaps, but anyway, certainly not now anyway. Certainly not now. Anyway. Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan. Have I got it? Saskatchewan. You might get it right one day. Saskatchewan. Good God, says Mike. I got it right now? Saskatchewan. Bloody hell. Anyway. BSV is still proof of work. What makes it better solution than an XRP? I've got a lot of friends now who are giving me some very good information about BSV, and there's the proof today. There's a lot of information that came out. In fact, I'll share with you why BSV popped up today above other Bitcoin, and the reason is this. This was sent in to me from a reliable source. FTT Wales just announced a pump event. The signal event will happen in around 2 hours on Binance. There you go. Our signals are not a financial advice. Enjoy profit, says Crypto Signal. Anyway, so we saw it happen today. It popped up nearly 10% today when Bitcoin BTC, it was only up 0.5%. Anyway, I've added some likes on TikTok. Hey, Constant Courage. There he is. One of my Luca badge owners. How are you? Constant Courage is one of my Luca badge owners. Hello, room. Brilliant. Constant Courage. A minute. Let me do something for you. We're friends. And manage moderator. There you go, Real Ray. Real Ray, Constant Courage. You are now a moderator on TikTok. Thank you very much for becoming a gold member today. I appreciate that. You're welcome. You are a moderator. You are a Luca badge owner. You're a gold member. He's royalty on the show. Anyway, portfolio is coming back. We are 1965. We're going to come back quicker because we've now got SoFi at an all-time low. I bought it at 4. What did I pay it for? What did I buy it for today? 456. So it's not there yet. It went lower. It went lower at 456. So it's coming back up. I also bought Virgin Orbit as well at 269. That's right on the button. So basically back where I started from. It went a tiny bit lower, but that's okay. And that is bringing my average up a little bit. We're down, lowering it a bit. So my portfolio is coming up a bit. All my favorite Cumper. Very nice to see you. We missed you a lot. You will become the exit liquidity of the pump organizers. Beware. What does that mean? You'll become the exit liquidity for the pump organizers. Beware. Not sure I fully understand what that means. I'm just bringing you the news. BSV, is that you, Peru? No, it wasn't Peru at all. No, it wasn't Peru. I don't have any conversation with Peru at all. Anyway, let's go back. We're seeing a bit of a bounce now, just a little bit. We got 1 minute to go. Let's get ready to ring the bell. We are bouncing into the climb. It's not pumping, nothing like dramatic like that, but we are rising quite quickly. Calls on Apple look good. Let's have a little look. Apple there. Oops, got a delay. That's coming back up now. We've got 1 minute to go, just about. Are you ready? Here we go. We're just rising now into the close. Ford is moving up. Virgin Galactic is moving up. Virgin Orbit is moving up with my cheaper stocks. Tesla's same, not moving much. Rivian going sideways. Lucid still falling. I've got an order at 8. Arrival, good as bankrupt, I think. Amazon is going up. Apple is going up. Hood is going up. McDonald's is going up. Coke is going up. J&J is going up quite quickly. Google sideways or just down slightly. Microsoft going up. 18 seconds to go. Meta. SoFi, it's coming up now. Nearly at the price I paid for it. IonQ. 0.81, very good. Walmart going up. Target going up. Let's ring the bell. There you go. Who watched I'm a Celebrity? Get me out of here. No, I didn't watch it. Ali the King of Whoville. Ali's the King of Whoville. That's funny. People who pump crypto via organized pumps select whichever crypto asset it is because they usually wish to exit and want a pump to sell into. After it may well dump. Well, we don't pump and dump anything here, Running Diary. I'm not here to promote or, pump or dump anything. I sell and buy in front of you. I don't tell everyone, oh, you should all buy this, pump it, promote something and dump it. I only trade in front of you. And if I have traded off air, I will tell you what I've done, show you what I've done. Very rarely I do, actually. When I'm off, I'm having a break. But sometimes it might happen. But anyway, there you go. We're up in the after hours. We're now under that 2,000 down. So we've improved a little bit. We've got Day Trader of the Day. We've got the video coming out about Virgin Galactic. So not saying you are, just with you talking about crypto signal pump things. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Running Diary, you seem to be very knowledgeable on this. We'd love you to become part of our family. If you become a member, it's only a couple of bucks a month. You can have access to Discord. You can call in. You can be on the show, celebrate your birthday, cash giveaways, weekly newsletter, Discord, you name it. We can make videos on stock you want. We do polls in the chat, reply to all your comments on YouTube. Here's the invitation to join. Go on. Everyone tell Running Diary he's got to become. I'm too old to celebrate. Oh, no, you're not, mate. We got people in their 80s here who celebrate their birthdays and love it. Yes. I want everyone in the chat. I want everyone in the chat to do a viral chat. And let's get Running Diary to become a recognized member of the family. Right. So, only 8 out of 20 of you have followed me on Twitter. What is going on? I'm going to end the poll. I can't even look at it. Here is my Twitter. Bloody hell, I can't even... The pressure. He's going. The pressure. $2 a month. I don't know. Hang on. Let me just tell you. One of the things... if you don't want any of the perks and benefits, and they were there designed to help you, it is to support this channel. If I wanted to make money, I would do about 20 minutes, half an hour a day going live. That's nice. The S&P, look at that. And then I'd make videos. That's what makes money. I go live because I want to build the best community on YouTube. That's why I go live up to 10 hours a day. That's why. And it's the members that fund and give me about $10 a day in total now. That's what I get. All I get. Honestly, from the memberships, because that's what keeps it going. So if you, that's why Real Ray upgraded to gold, because he wants to support the channel. That's what this is all about. Anyway, Rivian's up 0.27. It's pretty good. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. If I talk another 5 minutes, I might be quite respectable. We've gone down from 2 grand down to 1842. Look, 1833. It's going up quickly. In the close, we've had one of those days today, which enabled me to get some good deals. Look, Virgin Orbit, I've got my money out. Look, nowhere can you find a live investor who plays the piano, sings like Elton John, and has a contagious personality and nearly as funny as me. Nearly as funny, Ray. Now come on, no one is as funny as you. No one is as funny as you, Ray. You got to understand that, right? Right. I think we've got 484 followers now on what do you call it? Twitter. Pretty good, right? Nearly halfway to my target. Anyway, let's do Day Trader of the Day right now. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Okay. So, before I do it, because we've got several new people here today, let me give you this. Here is my... many of you don't realise that I'm the World Piano Man. I have my music channel, and if you look on the homepage of the YouTube channel, here is my music channel. See the sponsors? I sponsor myself. Look at that. Here is the link. If you want to go and check out my music and subscribe to me, I would appreciate it. There is my YouTube channel, my music channel in the chat. youtube.com/Martyn Lucas. Simple, right? There you go. You are like Heinz tomatoes, outstanding in your field. Hey, Bill. Right, okay, let's do day trader of the day. Let's go to your main portfolio. And I am down 4.4. 4.4%. There you go. Let's get everyone's scores on the doors. Just followed you on Twitter. Behave Mystery. Hey, we've got someone here who I don't even know, who's not even a member. 484. Just followed me on Twitter, and I don't even know who he is. Bav Mystery. Look at that. He's a bloody mystery. Oh, 485. There you go. He just followed me. Right. Now, if you're actually... I'll show you. If you're actually a YouTube member, I will follow you back and engage you and tag you in my post. Look, that must be you, 485. All right. And where does it say my followers? Followers. You've just followed me, so you'll be right at the top. Look, there he is. Look, Bavish Mystery. He just followed me back, and I only follow my members and subscribers. That way, I engage in everybody. If I subscribe to everybody, I have no time to follow everybody. It'd be absolutely chaos. All right. Anyway. Running Diary's just done it as well. Yeah, 486. I can see it. Anyway, let's get back to day trader of the day. It is down 4.39. By the way, just so you know, when you follow someone on Twitter, it's just like YouTube. If you don't ring the bell, because there's a notification, when that person posts on Twitter, you won't know. So if you are like looking to see what I'm doing when I'm off air posting, it's all on point. It's all on investing. It's not like what I've had for my dinner. That's the other channel. That's my personal channel. This channel is all about investing. So I only post relevant stuff. So if you don't ring the bell, you'll miss out on the posts. All right. So anyway, just worth noting. 4.38 percentage points. Okay. I'm going to give you 1 minute. What's CFD trading? What's CFD? Anyone know what CFD stands for? Or am I going to look really silly and you go, it's obvious, right? I've no idea what CFD stands for. Right, let me put a minute on the clock. I think we got some scores here. Right, I'm down. Mike goes into the lead, down 1.4. Contracts for difference. I've never heard that phrase. I transferred all to invest section. Contracts for difference. I've never heard of that. What's that mean? Down 2.91. Basically margin share dealing. Oh, I see. Thank you, 22. Cats fight dogs. That's what it is. That's what it is. CFD. Cats fight dogs. Yeah, that's what it is. You're dead right. It's trading 2 and 2 margin calls, not just the invest section. Okay. Right. Let's have a little look. Who's winning? Who's winning? Down 2.3. Down 4.4. Down 2.91. Down 1.5. I think, is it Ali Isles going to the lead with a down 1.5? Down 1.4. Down 0.5. Nitz Farrell. That's Ahad Katic is down 0.76. It looks like Nitz Farrell down 0.5 is, unless anyone's up. Is anyone up at all? I don't think so. Scrolling down, down. Cannot find cannot find deals. Bad mystery. Cannot find deals. Yeah. What do you do? I do cannot find deals trading. Is that a real thing? No, I just made it up. So, Nitz Farrell, congratulations. You are our winner today. Thank you very much indeed for your honest trades. Sean Globe, yes. Oh, hang on. Oh. Right at the last second. Dexter Sickles is up 0.27. Oh, Nitz Farrell's like, oh, you're joking. I thought I'd won. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him the sound effects. There you go. Hang on, where's the cheering? There's the cheering. You thought we missed out from the cheering, right? So what's going on? There's no cheering. There's no cheering. What are your thoughts about XRP? It's not my thing, but we do have people on our Discord and our YouTube channel, which is where we are right now. If you want to come and join us, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as TikTok, links in the profile, all links button, or the actual YouTube link as well. Take your pick. Come and join us, and you can talk to Ali Tisro. He's our expert on XRP. You can talk with him directly. You can phone into the show. All those good things if you come onto YouTube. Right, congratulations, Dexter. There you go. With CFDs, you can avoid stamp duty, etc. But it is margin trading, so risky if you don't know what you're doing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Dexter, well done indeed. Very good. Thank you, Martin. You're very welcome. What am I thanking you for? What have I just said to you? People say thank you, and I go, what did I do? I don't remember doing anything. Anyway, so a bit better when we were, and thank you, room. What are you thanking everybody for? Why are you going around thanking everyone? Don't come on here thanking everybody. No one's done anything, have they? Has anyone done anything nice for Real Ray? I don't know if anyone has. I don't know why he's thanking everybody. Anyway, the good news is I'm now down 4.36, 4.35. Thank you, Crystal Ball. Yeah, unfortunately, the crystal ball that's right next to me isn't on the show right now. I don't know how to get it into the camera. So for those of you that are looking for the crystal ball this afternoon, the best you're going to get is what's going to happen on tomorrow's show. I'll tell you what's going to happen on tomorrow's show. Tomorrow morning, I am going to be here. I am going to be here on the show. That's a guaranteed fact. I predict it. Yeah, I do. I don't have anything anymore. No bots. Nothing. No, I know. We're getting rid of the bots every day. That's because of you, though, Mike. It's because it's just nice. Mike says, I haven't done anything. Because Real Ray says because it's nice. We're saying thank you because it's nice. I agree with that. Just say thank you. What the hell? You haven't got to do anything. Thank you for being here, sir. Country Boy 365. It's my absolute pleasure. I'm here 10 hours a day. Good that you stopped calling yourself a day trader. Ah, there you go. I got told off for that. So, you're not a day trader. I said, what do you mean? If I buy today and I sell today, I'm a day trader. No, you're not. Well, what do you mean? If I buy and sell in one day, I'm a day trader. No, you're not. So, do you know what? I thought, sod it. I'll just go with the flow, and I'm now Martyn Lucas Investor. Do you know what the real reason I did it? It's not because I don't day trade, because sometimes I do if it's the right thing to do. The reason why I did it is to bring all my branding into one place. I also rank for Martyn Lucas because I'm the world piano man on Google. So by having Martyn Lucas Music and Martyn Lucas Investor, I get found for everything, so it's good for branding. I've got rid of the 1 and the 2s, so it differentiates me from all the scammers that try to pretend to be Martyn Lucas Investor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gets rid of them. It's better for these the algorithm and so on. And people can find me because I'm Martyn Lucas Investor on everything. TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. The only place I am Martyn Investor, because it was too long, is Twitter. Everywhere else, I'm Martyn Lucas Investor. Anyway. Andrew Grady, yeah, 22. I don't know what I was doing. I never knew it was margin trading. Anyway, I pulled it all out, and it's normal into normal section now. Luckily, I was only $80, so it could have ended up really bad. Bill will be mad if you don't put it on your desk. Yeah. Trying, yeah, he will. Trying plus 5%, but I played the BGI a little late to look. Yeah, it's a little bit too late. You're behind the show. You can't just join in at the end. Don't come on here, Sean Glode, and say, hey, I want to join. No, too late. Thank you, Ray. Not trying, I was. Thank you, room. Everyone's thanking everyone. Stop thanking people. Bloody hell. Yeah, following up here. Pete Watt DG did today. What's going on there? I deleted a typo, says Real Ray. Hello, typo. Stop thanking everyone. Everyone, you're confusing me. I'm reading out thanks after thanks. It's very confusing. You got a typo on your Twitter description, mate. Where? What have I said? Running diary. What have I said? My Twitter description. What's wrong with it? Come back and tell me. Running diary. You got a typo on your Twitter description. Have I? What have I said? What have I said? Let me have a look. Oh, nose. I can see it. Oh, yes. Also known. Is that what you're saying? Also known. Also knows. Also known as the World Piano Man. All right, I fixed it. Thank you very much indeed. I think he may have sent me a message on... There's Bill. He sent me a message. I got a bill from Bill. Was that what it was? Also knows. Yeah, I fixed it. Thank you so much, Running Diary. Look, just for you, live on the show instantly. This is how efficient we are. This is how efficient this show is. Look. Also known as the World Piano Man. See, I updated it right there and then. Right there and then. I didn't go, I'll do that tomorrow. I went right there and then. Thank you, Churchy. Thank you, Real Ray. Stop it! Everyone's thanking everyone. You'd like to thank Jesus, nearly his birthday. There we go. Tiny Tim, God bless everyone. I saw it being fixed live. You saw it. You can tell all your friends. I was there. I was there the day Martyn Lucas, the World Piano Man, updated his description. I watched him do it live on air. It was amazing. I want to thank you, Mum. Oh, my God. I feel like we're at the Oscars. See, we can just say thank you for being thankful. There we go. Church, miracles. I know it is a miracle that you get to see all this. You are very, in fact, I feel very, very envious of you. I don't get to watch this show. I don't get to see this show. You know, I don't get to see this show. I will never get to see this show. You are all extremely lucky to see a living legend in action. You get to see this 10 hours a day. A living legend in action. I will never get to see it. You lucky people. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you did nothing wrong, Sean Globe. Thank you. Now I wanna have some grandchildren. Do you? All right then. I don't know why you're telling me that. I mean, what's that got to do with anybody here? A true memory watching him change the description. I know. In real life. I thought Thanksgiving was over. It is Thanksgiving is over. On Dancer, on Prancer. Oh, here we go. Go to the doctors again. Yeah. I'm safer there. Oh yeah. If I go to the doctors, I can watch it. Yeah. Not saying you are just with you talking about crypto signals pump. Oh, that was from earlier. I was reading something from earlier. That's behind the stream. Oh my gosh, that's ages ago. How did I get back there? Anyway, whatever. Okay, that's it. I went to the doctors today. No one cares, Real Ray, if you went to the doctors. They only care when I go to the doctors. I'm a living legend. You're not. They don't know who you are, Real Ray. You just because you're a gold member, don't come on here telling people about your doctor story. I told him I felt like a pair of curtains. He said, pull myself together. If you are a member, you can do a joke. If it's a good joke. If it's a bad joke. Unfortunately, that was a very, very bad joke. Martin got it. Yeah. Boo. If you like jokes, I have a great one for you. You can't do jokes. It's a member's perk. Sorry. You're not a member. You haven't paid good money. You haven't paid money. Don't even say your joke. You have to be a member. I offered you the membership invitation, $2 a month. You said no. You said no. I don't want to eat. No. You got to be a member for jokes. There you go. I've given you the invitation. That'll get him to sign up. He's thinking, right, that's the perk I needed. That's the perk I needed. I'm now going to sign up because I can do jokes. I can be the jokester of the show. I can do jokester of the show. That was it. 1. What's the joke? That was it. That was my great one. 1. Am I missing the point? Right, on that fine, wonderful note, it's a great one. What's a great one? 1. That makes no sense. That is the worst joke I've ever heard. Yeah, that's like, it's not even a joke. I just call that silliness. Silliness. We don't want silliness. Silliness. Right, I'm done. So, look out for a video coming out shortly about Virgin Galactic's 1,000 flights. All right, you'll see a video. It'll be thumbnailed Virgin Galactic 1,000 flights. All right, Virgin Galactic 1,000 flights. That's that's clickbait right there. That'll get all the Virgin Galactic people clicking on it. They'll go, hang on a minute, 1,000 flights. What's he on about? They'll all click on it. They'll all click on it. All right, that's coming out in a couple of hours. So bad he even reacted to it. Yeah. When I'm not supposed to because you're not a member. Anyway, so look out for that one. You've got until midnight tonight, a few hours, if you want to get into the shop and get yourself the Black Friday deal. It ends tonight. There will never be a discount cheaper. So if you want to get a pair of socks for Christmas, you want to get a mug for Christmas, you want to get a beer mug, you want to get a t-shirt, an iPhone case, leggings for your girlfriend, I don't know. Look at those leggings. How cool are those leggings? You like those leggings? They're pretty cool, right? You like that, don't you? Pretty good. T-shirts, sweatshirts, whatever you like. 20% discount. That ends tonight. It'll never be that good again. I might repeat it one day, probably next Black Friday, but it'll never be done again. Anyway, XRP is up. Good. Shall we look at our crypto quickly? Ethereum is up 0.38. Nothing to shout about. BTC is up 0.4. Nothing to shout about. BSV, however, is up 5.69. That's it. Will someone say to me, roll the credits? I'm going to get out of here. Back in the morning. 24 watching, 23 likes. Shall we have a quick look? Did we get any subscribers? We had, how many come through the show? It's been very quiet today. Oh, it's better this afternoon. Oh, no, it's not. 96. We're down about half. I can see you in leggings, Martin, and Bill flying his drones. You got no chance, mate. No chance at all. Right, here we go. We got 5,548. Oh, we gained another 2. Fantastic. Roll it, says Andrew Grady. There you go. Fantastic. Okay. That's it. Roll them credits. We're out of here. Let's do it. I'll see you all back in the morning. Now, some news for you. We've got the Virgin Galactic video coming out in a couple of hours. If you are a member, then you will get notified, of course, on Discord and also on, what's it called? The community page on YouTube. So that's there. Also, I post it on Twitter, if you follow me on Twitter. But we've got on Friday, Alex Agut is the co-founder and CEO of Handcash. So we're going to discuss the difference between BTC and BSV. All right, so if you want to get involved, you can. Members can call in. Night Mary Ellen, night Grandpa, night Jim Bob. So you can call in. We've got CPI December the 13th. CPI rate, not that long away now, 2 weeks ago. The FOMC report, will the rates come down? December the 15th, 2 weeks ago, 1 p.m. And we've also got Jerome Powell speaking live on the show. Oh yeah, he's live on my show. November the 30th, which is this Wednesday at 12:30, in between the opening and closing bell. Good night, Jamie's Ghost. Absolutely right. That's it from me. I'm going to roll the credits. We're going to see you back in the morning. Get yourself into the shop. It's your last ever chance. That's it. Roll the credits live. That's what it says on the screen. Let's have a little look. Doody shooby dooby doo. Start of the show. Members, the Church of Logic, Real Ray, became gold today. CY Financial's Portland Trailblazers was celebrating his membership. Very, very nice indeed. Thank you ever so much, everybody who took part in today's show. I have just realised that isn't quite wide enough, so I need to look at that. Trailblazers. Oh, hang on. It's not that. It's the size of it. It's the size of it. The size of the Trailblazer. How do I make that font size? There you go. 52. 50. Is that any better? Let me go. Credits. Let me roll them again. Roll the credits live. Let's try again. It's Portland Trailblazer. It's got such a big name. Is that any better? Blazer. It's getting better. So I've got to go even smaller. Got to go down to 48. 48. All this for Portland Trailblazer. It's important, isn't it? It's important. Shoop dooby doo. Right, try again. Portland Trailblazer. I want to get him on the screen. But that's it from me. I might as well get into the end screen. Get himself ready. Church of Logic, Real Ray. Oh my gosh, it's tough. It's still not the right size. I can't not believe it. I'll try again a bit smaller. I'll go to 46. Save changes. Have I got time? Am I able to get it through? Here we go. Close that one. Bring it on again. Roll the credits live. Am I going to get it in? That's it. I've run out of time. I'll see you all back in the morning. It's Portland Trailblazers going to be right. We're about to find out. Hey, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I'm talking about. Take care of yourselves and each other. You don't get this on Netflix, do you?